Bonjour everyone and welcome to a new week. I just want to give you a brief overview of what to expect this week so nothing catches you off guard. The most important thing is that we are taking a test on Unit 7 today, and I want to kind of walk you through so you know what to expect for the test. Two parts. The first one is the défi oral, which is normally we do as partners, but since you don't have a partner at home, you're going to do it by yourself. I'm going to give you a picture of a room and I want you to describe it at least 6 sentences. And I want you to use the vocabulary that we've been working with over the last couple of weeks. So furniture, names, rooms, prepositions, and I want this to be your French. It's blatantly obvious when you're using a Google Translate or another device program to translate for you. So use the stuff from your unit sheet and put together simple sentences like the couch is in front of the TV and the chair is on the blue rug, things like that. So you'll record yourself using Screencast-O-Matic or your phone and then share that video with me through email. The next part is a vocabulary test, and this is going to be in Quizlet. I created a set that is just for the test. So you'll go to Quizlet and you'll look for Unit 7 test vocab. So here it is. You'll open that and you're going to do the test function. So you'll click on the test, you'll go through that, and then it'll give you a score. You can take this as many times as you want up through Wednesday, and then I'm cutting you off. So really you could get 100% on this if you needed to do it more than once. Okay, so that's the test, and that is the end of Unit 7. So then we'll go on to Unit 8, which is about places and cities, so city vocabulary. And I want to walk you through the unit map. So for tomorrow, that should be a Tuesday, sorry. You'll do a short reading and then you'll do a reading vocabulary assignment where you're going to write down 5 words in each category. The first one is words you know that we've learned already in French. For example, you know that je means I. The second category is cognates, that words that look like what they are. So préféré, if you looked at that and you didn't know a lick of French, you could still probably guess that that means to prefer. And then words that you don't know, have no clue that you had to look up. So you'll do 5 words in each of those, and that's your assignment for tomorrow. Then let me get to the unit map. So what we're working on is important places in a city, talking about navigating cities, where places are, how to get there, giving directions and understanding and following directions, and then 2 new verbs. So you can see that the vocabulary is going to be places like hospital and movie theater and intersection. Also, we have some directional words like it's to the right, it's far, it's around the corner, things like that. And then some phrases just to, excuse me, can you tell me where the post office is, or how do I get to the bakery? Some verbs that are going to be common as you're going around a city: to drive, to walk, to cross the street, to turn, etc. Some order words when you're giving directions. Oh, first you do this, and then after, things like that. And then the 2 verbs that we're learning at the end. So that's kind of the big focus of what we'll be doing for the next week. Make sure you're remembering to do Quizlet every day. That is part of your grade. So you do need to do 5. You can make up 1 week and do an extra 5. Just do double, right? So you'll do your 5 normal plus 5 extra, and then you'll need to let me know so you can repent for a week you missed earlier. I'm always here to answer questions. If you need to meet, we can arrange a virtual meeting to clarify some things. So keep up on things and let me help you if you need it.